Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with TurboTax step by step clearly. Begin by opening the TurboTax website or app. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create a new one by providing the necessary information. Once logged in, navigate to the budgeting section. Select Start a new budget or budget planner, depending on the option available. Enter your total income for the budgeting period. Include all sources of income, such as salaries, freelance work, and any other earnings. Next, outline your monthly expenses. Categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs may include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs might include groceries, entertainment, and dining out. Provide estimated amounts for each expense category. Use the historical data provided by TurboTax for accuracy. After entering your income and expenses, review the summary. Adjust any figures to ensure a balanced budget. Look for areas where you can reduce spending if your expenses exceed your income. Once satisfied with your entries, save your budget. Consider adding goals for savings or debt repayment. Regularly revisit and update your budget to reflect any changes in income or expenses. Use TurboTax's reports to track your progress over time. Stay committed to your financial goals by checking your budget frequently. Utilize the resources TurboTax offers for financial advice to optimize your budgeting process. End by regularly monitoring your budget's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.